Hello there. So you want to know how you can log in into your Dix account on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your App Store and then search for Dix. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on this application right over here and then click on download, and it's going to install into your device. Now simply tap on open to open the application Dix. Once your Dix application is open, all you need to do is click on the sign in button and you're going to be taken to this page right over here. Unfortunately for me, I don't know why it is not working because of my network connection. However, it's going to take you to the sign in page where you'll have to enter the email and then enter your password and you'll be logged in into your Dix account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.